summer's in full swing, and as you can tell, it's like super windy here because where I live is always windy. But anyway, it is in full swing, and it's in full swing at Dollar Tree, and I have got some really great summer hacks for you from Dollar Tree that are going to take your summer from a 5 to a 10. So let's jump in and see what I've got planned for you. One of my favorite trends on TikTok right now is water talk. And if you haven't heard of water talk, it's amazing. You're going to be making some flavored waters, and we can make some of my most favorite flavors with supplies from here at Dollar Tree. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and add ice to our cup. And then we're going to go ahead and get some water in our cup as well. Then once we have our water in our cup, we're ready to add our mixes. So we're going to take one of the pineapple packets and we're going to add about a fourth to a half into one side of our cup. Then down the middle, we're going to take another flavor. I'm using strawberry down the middle. And I'm going to use about half a packet of the strawberry. And then I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to use about a half a packet of the orange. Once we get our mixes back in, and I'm going to add just a tiny bit more of pineapple because that's my favorite flavor. And then I'm going to give it all a good mix, and you will love this snow cone type flavored water. If you're having a hard time getting your water in, this is the trick for you. So summer is great for the sunshine. I love the sunshine, but the sunshine doesn't always love me. So if I've been in the sun for a while and I end up getting a sunburn, or I'm just really exhausted from being in the sun, a great tip is to pick up these ice cube trays at the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and got a novelty one and a regular ice cube tray. We're going to add this after sun lotion or aloe lotion from the Dollar Tree to each one of these ice cube compartments. We're going to go ahead, pop it into the freezer. When they are frozen, we're going to take it out. You can pop these out whenever you need to use one, and you're going to rub it over your skin. It provides a cooling, refreshing after the sun experience. All right, so here it is popped out of the mold. I'm just gonna rub it on. Feels really good. Definitely gonna keep those in my freezer. So recently while I was scrolling TikTok, I was watching Dave's Wreaths. If you've never watched his wreaths, he makes some really adorable wreaths. He also has a YouTube channel, and I will link his channel down in my description box. But he created this really cute summer wreath. It definitely gave me some tropical Hawaiian vibes, and I thought I would want to recreate that. So I went to Dollar Tree and I was able to find the leis. I picked up this kind of larger wreath frame, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap these leis around our wreath frame. Once we get all the leis wrapped around, I'm going to go ahead and add this super cute flip-flop sign to the front. And then that is it for this super cute summer wreath. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and definitely check out his channel. If you are on TikTok, he also has a TikTok and creates tons of adorable wreaths. I don't care how old you are, popsicles are messy. Or maybe it's just me, I'm messy. But popsicles can get all over your hands, and depending on where you are and the heat and the temperature of where you live, popsicles can be a hot mess. in the summer. Even though they are super fun to eat and super tasty, they just tend to melt quickly and get all over you. So a hack to prevent that is to take these cupcake liners. We're going to go ahead and poke a hole into the bottom of our cupcake liner, push it up to our popsicle, and then we have a mess-free option of eating our popsicle. And then hopefully, if you turn it around the other way, if your popsicle falls or something like that, it can be caught in the cupcake liner. Doesn't it seem like bug bites itch at the most inopportune time? I remember a vacation we went on and we had all gotten really bit up by mosquitoes, and we were traveling home and it was like, I need the cortisone. No, I need the cortisone. So I totally know where you're coming from. One easy hack is to keep a tube of toothpaste somewhere by you in the car, in your purse. You can also use the travel size, but in a pinch, if you're having an itch emergency, you can take a tiny dab of toothpaste, rub it on the itch area, and it will take the itch away. One really fun idea to use for a hot dog party or something like that, maybe even a taco bar, is you're going to take your muffin tin and you're going to put your condiments into your muffin tin. This is going to create one thing that's dirty instead of several different bowls or plastic containers that you then have to throw away. But all we're going to do is add a different condiment to each one of these things. You can pick up a 6 muffin tin at the Dollar Tree. You're just going to add a spoon, and there you go. You have this a really portable condiment holder that you can sit outside at a party or even inside on a table, and it makes for a fun summer decor / condiment holder. The next hack is for a really fun summer dinner idea. So we're going to take these aluminum foil sheets from the Dollar Tree. We're going to make some foil dinners that you can make inside. We're going to go ahead and use a pre-made hamburger patty. I'm just going to lay that inside my foil. Then I'm going to add 1 potato to each foil packet along with a couple of carrots. We're going to use a Lipton onion seasoning pack, and we're just going to put that over all of our veggies and our hamburger. We're going to seal it up tight and we're going to place it into our oven. Once it's cooked for about an hour, we're going to go ahead and take that out, and then you have this really fun camping experience and never going camping. You're going to want to pick up coffee filters at the Dollar Tree. These are going to make really great portable hot dog / hamburger holders on your next picnic or barbecue. You're just going to place your bun into the coffee filter, add your hot dog. You could do hamburgers here as well. Put your condiments on your hot dog, and then you have a portable holder. You can walk around with this and have a trash collector, and when it's time for it to go in the trash, it's going to take up less space than any kind of paper plate or plastic plate would, and it's less washing if you're using regular plates. Tired of having a party or an outdoor activity with all the bugs? I am like prone to getting mosquito bites, it seems like. One really fun hack is to pick up a jar or use a mason jar if you have one on hand. I have tons of mason jars. So I just went ahead and picked up my favorite dryer sheets at the Dollar Tree. I love Gain, but they have other options as well. You're just going to put some of those dryer sheets into the jar, and then you're going to sit it out on your table or by the pool or wherever you are outside, and that is going to keep the bugs away. Let me know if you're going to try this hack, or if you have tried this hack and did it work for you. Are you a flip-flop fanatic like I am? We have flip-flops all over our house, and those are the one shoes that seem to just go everywhere. So I have some storage ideas for you, or a storage idea for you. You're gonna get a bucket from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna place just some letters on it. I'm just using the poster letters. You don't even have to put the letters on there if you don't want to, but we're gonna just put flip-flops here on the front of our tub. Once we have that put on with our letters, all we're gonna do is sit it by the front door, put our flip-flops in it, and there we have this really cute holder for flip-flops that is taking up a lot less room and not having tons of shoes all over my house. Let's talk picnics. So sometimes when you're on a picnic, you have all these different things that you have to take: napkins, silverware, condiments, things like that, and you're trying to put them all in a space that's easy for everyone to access. If you're like me, my backyard is small and my patio area is small, and so I don't have a lot of space either. So I need something that's compartmentalized that I can put there, but everything be in its place. So we're gonna grab a shower caddy from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use the compartments that it has, and we're going to use that for our picnic supplies. All we're gonna do is add our napkins and silverware and any other kind of condiments or things that we might need to have on the table inside our shower caddy, and then we're able to just carry the shower caddy to and from the picnic or put it on the table, and it takes up a lot less space than it would if we were going to have each of those laying on the table. Another really fun idea for summer is if you are going to be outside or maybe on your patio and you're going to be having some drinks, we're going to make some fun balloon ice cube holders for your cooler that are going to keep your drinks cool. All we're going to do is take these balloons from the Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and add some water, about 3/4 of the way full. We're going to tie them off like we're making a water balloon, and then we're going to go ahead and put them in the freezer for a little bit. When we're ready, we're going to get out our cooler. I'm using a bucket from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add my drinks and then add my balloon ice cubes around. It gives it a fun summer twist, and your drinks get to be cool. So the balloon cooler hack was a fail for me. Probably because I put in the wrong balloons, but I'm going to show you guys here, like, they didn't grow in any size. So if I was going to use this as a cooler, I wouldn't be keeping very much cool. Maybe in a lunchbox or something like that, if it was around that size. I was going for a bucket, and this was not going to work. So I picked up a pool noodle at the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up the pool noodle knife, which I had never seen before, but we're going to attempt to make some pool noodle luminarias. So these are going to be great for an outdoor activity. We're just going to cut them down to be the size of our small flameless candles, and we're going to then cut them with our knife. Once we have them cut into just our circular shape, we're going to insert our luminaria into that hole, and then you have these are really cute pool noodle luminarias. If you're not about I like big cups and I cannot like kind of person like I am, I got you covered for a hack for the summer as well. All you're going to do is put your cup of choice. I'm using a mason jar here, but you can also use any kind of cup. But if you're outside and you don't want any kind of bugs or like debris getting into your cup, you're going to take one of these cupcake liners and you're going to cover the top of your cup. You're going to go ahead, put your straw into the cupcake liner, and then you have a cover, and it's cute for summer. We're here at the end of the video, and it is now your turn to tell me which one of these hacks is going to take your summer from a 5 to a 10. If you want to keep on hanging out with me, I have another video up here on the screen that I think you will love. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.